Hi, Harikrishna.
Hi ma'am, good
How
morning.
are you?
Yeah ma'am, doing fine. How are you ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Harikrishna.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Just a feedback interview from your side.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
We'll start up.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your
Nice.
native hometown?
Yes ma'am. Myself Harikrishna. I am from Koppal district. So I pursued my engineering at SDM Institute of Technology, Ujire. Um, and my native is Kanakagiri, which is at Koppal district.
Okay. How did you get to know CMTI?
About CMTI, I came across with my friend, one of my colleague, and from YouTube and Google reviews, I have joined here.
Okay. What is the new thing you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus?
Yes, ma'am. Apart from college syllabus, like we have learned there, uh, it is useful. The things which we have learned in the college, those are the things which are useful here also. But apart from that, here we learned so many things, that is from starting from excavation to the completion of the building till handover of the building, which are all the things which are going to happen in the site or in the project. So those are all the things we have came across here.
Okay. Then what are the subjects did you go through?
Here we came across with the starting from study of drawings. So we didn't know about that. That is a new concept which we have been introduced here, and the sequence of construction. So what are all the sequences? How the process is going to be happen after what structures? What are all the things has to be built, like superstructures, substructures, all these things which we have been learned here. That is sequence of construction and quality control, quality assurance, QS, bar bending schedule, uh, and yeah, these are all the things which we have came across here. And
Okay.
softwares we learned here is about SketchUp. We didn't know about SketchUp, and we came across with SketchUp. And AutoCAD, we know the things which have been learned in the college itself. So apart from that, here we came further in the AutoCAD, and MSP and Primavera are the things which we have been introduced new concepts to us.
Okay. Then how was your site visits and all?
Site
Whether
visit, in the first site visit we visited was about a BGRT. So it was a very uh, good site visit which we have been visited till now. And next about Homeland, we have introduced for interior designing site visit Homeland, and Victoria, Nimmans, different kinds of, and one site visit in JP Nagar. So it was a good experience came across with.
okay. The site visits, did you go right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it was the construction or interiors?
In construction, both
Interiors also
ma'am.
you were attending?
Interior and construction, both site visits we have visited.
Okay. Then how was the trainer's approach during the sessions? Like
The
whether
best,
they were clearing your doubts and all?
yes, ma'am. The best thing is about the trainers itself, ma'am. So here,
Yeah, you can start.
yes,
Continue.
ma'am. Starting from Natarajan sir. So 90% of the syllabus which we have learned here, we have come across with Natarajan sir. So sir was, I think, 40 years of experience. Sir was teaching us very well. If any doubts we have, sir was ready to explain n number of times if we couldn't get any of the point in the circumstances. So and SSR quantity survey. Apart from that, interiors, Gandhi sir, Anand sir, and our CMTI head, Ashok sir. Yeah, we learned many things from CMTI, which will be remembered forever.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app, it was a very useful where we came across with starting from mock test. So there will be having n number of mock test, where we can build up our or how confident we are before going to any interview or any subjects which we have been not understood, so we can go through in CMTI app, where online sessions are available. App and the code books, where code books are also available, where we can go through at any time. uh, yes ma'am.
Fine. Then what about CMTI trainers? How was their coordination? Like CMTI staffs, how was their coordinations?
Yes ma'am, the coordination was very good. They were helping for us, uh, from if we didn't understand any classes, so we are supposed to sit for next batches. For example, if we didn't understand the sequence of construction, or if we absent for that, so if we ask permission, they would allow us to sit for next class, or arrange separate classes for us. So staff was very good and very supportive for us.
Okay. Then how was your journey in CMTI? Journey or experience? What do you say? So
Yes
how
ma'am.
was that?
It was a very nice experience, ma'am. So many of new friends were we have came here, and new faces. Everything was new, and the things which are learned here is also very new. Uh, where we learn at site. So those are all the things which we are didn't know in the college days, but we came across here. So that was a new and a nice experience.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
It's a very nice institute where we can get so much of knowledge. That is where the things which are going to happen in the site. So those are all the things which will come across here, and yeah, great experience, learning so many things, new things.
Okay. Yeah, Krishna. Hi, Krishna. Thank you for your feedback
Yes
and
ma'am.
all the best for your future. Thank you, Hari
Thank you
Krishna.
ma'am. Thank you so much.